So the Maverick gets back to my favorite American sprinter this evening, Sha'carri Richardson. Since that infamous last place finish, she's run 2 more races. She was 4th over 200 meters, failing to break 22 seconds, and 2nd over the 100 meters, failing to break 11 seconds. Now fly back the narrative after that big flop in Oregon. Listen.
This is one race. I'm not done. This is one race. I'm not done. This is one race.
Sha'carri, this is no longer a one race. This is no 1, 2, 3 races. No victories, no impressive times, and no talking. This is no cause for concern. You're not looking like an athlete who is short on confidence or even short on preparation. You're now looking like a shadow of the sprinter we saw leading up to and during the American trials. That feisty potential champion beating back your senior rivals to set many tongues wagging, including yours. Ever since that weed drama and your return to the track, Sha'carri don't look like the same athlete. Something is wrong. Something is missing. I don't know what it is, but something is missing. Leave it right.
I'm going through my head.
No.